Hello, welcome back to e-commerce lecture series, lecture 4, part 5, email marketing in the digital marketing strategy, right? So, email marketing is a powerful digital marketing strategy that allows you to directly reach and engage with your target audience. 20 years, have been operating for 25 years. It enables you to build a relationship, nurture leads, and drive conversion through personalized, targeted communication. In this session, we will cover the key elements of an effective email marketing campaign, including list building, content creation, automation, and analytics. We also will discuss best practices for crafting compelling email messages that capture attention and inspire action. You will learn how to leverage email marketing to support your broader digital marketing efforts and achieve your business goal. This tool once again become powerful with the support of AI tools, right? For example, GPT, right? ChatGPT. So now the introduction of email marketing. What is email marketing? Email marketing is a direct communication method where businesses send email to potential or current customers. It is used to promote product, build relationship, and keep customer engaged. So, email marketing is a powerful direct communication channel that businesses can use to reach a potential and current customer. It allows a company to promote products, build relationship, and keep customer engaged through targeted email messages. Email marketing is an effective way to share information, offer promotion, and stay on top of mind with your audience. By leveraging email, you can deliver personalized content and offer that resonate with your customer. Now we look at some key benefits of email marketing: the personalization, cost-effective, and high return on investment. So email marketing allows businesses to personalize messages for each recipient based on their preference and past interaction. Email marketing is also a very cost-effective marketing channel. It's an affordable campaign to compare with other marketing channels. High return on investment. Studies shows email marketing can deliver a high return on investment or ROI with an average of $36 in revenue for $1 spent. So for spend $1 for email, we can return 36 times, right? Types of email marketing campaign. We have promotional emails, we have welcome emails, we have newsletters, and we have cart abandoned emails, right? So email marketing comes in many different types, each with a specific purpose. Promotional emails are used to announce the discount, sales, or new product. For example, 50% off this week, don't miss out. Number 2 is welcome emails are sent to new subscribers to introduce the business, like welcome to, for example, Nike, here's what we offer. And newsletter, share companies update tips or curated content. Example, this month's best deal and tips for better living, right? And also number 4 type of email is a cart abandoned emails, remind customer of item left in their cart. For example, forgot something, your cart is ready. So each type of email campaign serves different marketing objectives and should be crafted accordingly. Now we can spend a few minutes for interactive question. What type of email would you send to re-engage customer who haven't interacted with your brand in 3 months? So the suggested answer here is think about special discount or content that remind them of your value. We also look at the three examples here, right? Example email types here: re-engagement, discount, what's new, email, and feedback request, right? Feedback request. For the re-engagement discount, we may say, we missed you, here's a 25% off your next purchase. What's new email, we see what you have been missing our latest product. And for feedback request, you see how can we serve you better. Take our quick survey. Now we consider crafting an effective email campaign. We need subject line, and also we need personalization. The subject line is the first thing recipients see, so it needs to grab their attention and create a sense of urgency. A good example of an effective subject line is, for example, limited offer 24 hours for big save to save big. Right? It's a short, uses action words and highlights the limited time nature of offer. Best practice for subject line includes keeping them under 50 characters and using language that creates a sense of scarcity and excitement. Right? Personalization is also important. Using the recipient's name or highlighting products or offers tailored to their needs, their preferences, can make email feel more relevant and engaging. For example, an example of personalized email subject line could be, "Hi Alex, check out new arrival just for you," right? So key components of email can continue, right? Call to action or CTA, design and timing, right? The key components we covered so far are the call to action, design and timing of email marketing campaigns. The call to action is crucial, very important. It encourages the recipient to take a specific action like visiting a website or making a purchase. For example, shop now or get 20 or 30% off today, 20% off today. For the design of the email is also very important. It should use appealing visual and clear layout. Importantly, it needs to be mobile friendly, and 60% of emails are open on the mobile devices now. Timing is also critical too. For B2B emails, weekdays tend to work best. For B2C, evening and weekends often perform better. That's quite different, right? B2B for business work on weekdays. B2C sometimes emails will perform better in evenings or weekends, right? These three elements, call to action, the design and the timing, are essential for creating effective email marketing campaigns. So now we look at one example like subject line exclusive summer sales up to 14% off, and the body a personalized greeting, 2 or 3 lines, 3 highlights of the sales with clickable links, an engaging image showcase the product, and CTA, shop now, sales ends Sunday. The overall goals is to grab the audience attention, highlight the key details of the sales, and drive them to take action and make purchase before the sales end. So again, the subject line is very important. We increase the sense of urgency and exclusive summer sale up to 14% off, right? The body of the email should include a personalized greeting, 2 or 3 highlight of sales with clickable links, and an engaging image showing the products on sales. The call to action finally is very important, right? Shop now, sales end Sunday, which further emphasizes the limited time nature of the promotion, right? Now we can look at a question, right? If you receive an email with the subject, "Hurry, offer ends tonight," what action would you like to take and why? Think about how urgency impacts your decision making. Some person may answer differently, right? So the key point is that urgency can create a fear of missing out or FOMO, right? Which impacts your decision making. The timeline on the slide here outlines that the typical thought process is immediate open, quick assessment, and then decision point or whether to take action. Encourage the audience to think about how they personally would react in this situation and why. Highlight how time pressure can lead us to make decisions we might not otherwise make. Emphasize that this is a common psychological tactic used in marketing and sales, and it's important to be aware of how it can influence our behavior, right? Now we look at some tools for email marketing. Right? It's very important to know the tools. So tools for email marketing, we have 4 tools here: MailChimp, HubSpot, Constant Contact, and Sendinblue, right? MailChimp is a popular email marketing tool with a drag and drop editor, automation capabilities, and robust analytics, right? You can use MailChimp to easily schedule a weekly newsletter that gets sent automatically to all your subscribers. The second tool is HubSpot. HubSpot is another powerful email marketing platform that offers advanced automation features, CRM integration, and a variety of email templates. And also we can use HubSpot, for example, send personalized onboarding email to new customer, and with HubSpot you can create personalized onboarding email that's sent to new customer. Both MailChimp and HubSpot provide user-friendly tools to help you create, schedule, and track your email marketing campaign. We also can see Constant Contact and Sendinblue. Constant Contact has a features like mobile responsive templates, list management reporting. We can use it to create an event invitation with RSVP tracking, and Sendinblue with the features like SMS marketing, landing page, and segmentation. We can use Sendinblue, for example, to build a multi-channel campaign across email and SMS, right? So we have 4 tools here: MailChimp, HubSpot, Constant Contact. We can do that in the practice session or Sendinblue, right? For email marketing. Now we look at the email marketing, some other email marketing tools, right? Like ConvertKit and other tools, and also we discuss the key selection criteria, right? ConvertKit is a great email marketing tool. ConvertKit, right? Great email marketing tool for creators and small businesses with features that support selling digital products like online courses. You can use ConvertKit to create automated email funnels, like for launching a new online course, for example. Other popular email marketing tools like Constant Contact, Sendinblue, Aweber, and Active Campaign, right? When selecting an email marketing tool, the key factors to consider are your budget, the list size, automation needs, and integration capabilities with other tools you use. Email analytics. Now we consider email analytics and key metrics to track, right? Key metric to track. Email open rate is a key metric to track. It shows how effective your subject line is at getting people to open the email. So opening the email is the most important thing. Click-through rate is another important metric. It indicates how engaging your email content is and how well it's resonating with your audience. Bounce rate is also crucial to monitor. It highlights any issues with your email list or invalid addresses, which can impact your overall deliverability, right? By tracking these core email marketing metrics, you can continually optimize your campaigns to improve performance and drive better results, right? Better results. So that's the overall of the email marketing strategies, right? The overview. We can discuss in more details in the later specialized topic on this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.